shit almost looks like it's. You'll obviously in the sun you'll be able to see because this has more of a yellow hue to it. Yeah. And this is just pure white.
This whole white just makes the car look so much better again. You can see it more.
Yeah, definitely at night. It's like this light right here. It just lit up. It was like hello. Like right when you put the light on, you can see.
Yeah. It just popped up.
Boop.
Yeah, see, it's so much clearer to see but when it was black, it was really hard to see.
Yeah. Yeah, that coronavirus shit is really stuck in my head. Like every time I finish something, coronavirus.
So did this car come in 2 exhausts or it came with only 1?
Oh, they come in 2. This bumper actually has an option because typically people will decide, well, Japanese dudes, because they drove on this side, they put the exhaust down that side. If I was going to be mocking that, since I'm driving that side, I put it on this side. Yeah. But
it's whatever.
I kept it there. But this bumper comes with an insert. Whichever side that you didn't use, you put it in and screwed it in, so it'll be flat.
Okay. Nice.
Whoa, man. So it is hot as hell outside. I'm actually wearing a hoodie like a fucking bozo. But we still can't go outside or out and about. But C-Cal finally came. This bike is complete, ready to rock. We didn't get to wrap the tank last night. As you saw, we picked up the car, but he's coming back down to wrap that and those spare side skirts I got up there. This will be worked on pretty soon since we're all inside under a fucking quarantine. But for those that don't know and never seen, boy, this brings back so many fucking memories. This was exactly how I designed the car. This was, oh man, this is the fucking vibe, yo. Anyway, check it out. Yeah. This is the motherfucking vibe, B. So all the shit that everybody could never really see because it was just all black, you had to walk up on it and really get it. Now you can see everything from a big distance away. You got the carbon fibers, you got the side skirt splitters. I need to put the dive planes or canards on the front, but I'll do that probably a little later. I'm just really enjoying this view, man. God damn, that shit hard. I mean, she way wider now, but boy, this shit look good. This is how I always saw her. Always saw her like this. God damn, cuz. But it absolutely has a very, very good appeal like paint. Look at that shit. It's tight as hell, dog. Now, there are portions of this car that do have paint on it still. For those that look at the vlog, you'll know that's actually still the original paint that's under the wrap. I mean, the whole car is this. But I just wanted to wrap it. But I wanted to leave this like a little Easter egg. somebody could appreciate it. You can only see the different tint and yellowness there because that was the Frost Blizzard Pearl. But we added a little bit more silver paint in that, so it's like a Lexus color, but this is pure white. God damn, that's clean, boy. Bring back the vibes, kid. Even popped out actual side markers. That's how I always seen. She looks mad good, dude. I almost want to lower it a little bit more, but nah, I'm not even gonna get into all that. I'm just going to enjoy it exactly how it is. She's a little bit wider, and I'm gonna just proceed with the vibing because this is everything I've always wanted this car to be. And it's pretty cool for the moment since it doesn't have any stickers on it. When I first built the car like this back in 2011, this was the only time it was just this crispy. And so now she's back and she's crispy like this again. I might keep this style until we do a livery. I mean, I don't know. I like that, man. I really like that portion. And the only reason I was putting those lower splitters on is I've been doing this shit for years, since like 2010. That protects the side skirt from getting destroyed if you do a dirt drop. But I haven't done dirt drops in ages, so they're just kind of nicked up and damaged from the previous situations. And the same with the lower, you know, front splitters. Damn, I like it. Yeah, that's the fucking one right there, boy. That's it. Woo. All right, so I'm gonna quit dick riding this car, yo. I'm out, man. More things to come. We're still trapped. And it's fucking beautiful outside. I mean, absolutely beautiful. And we're just trapped, dog. So, it is what it is. But at least we got good things to look at, right? All right. Man, I'm out.